여러분, 안녕하세요. Today we're going to make this delicious and a good partner for your morning coffee, choco chip cookies. For the cookie dough ingredients, we have dark brown sugar, flour, vegetable oil, egg, baking powder, and baking soda, as well as honey. And lastly, we have choco chips. For the exact measurements of the ingredients, we have that on the details below. We're going to mix all these ingredients in one bowl, starting with egg, followed by dark brown sugar, and we're going to mix them together before adding the oil. Here I'm incorporating all the dry ingredients before we add them to the wet ingredients. I'm also adding honey here, and this is an optional ingredient, but if you don't like honey on your cookie, you can just skip it. So right here is our choco chips, and we're adding a small amount of these dry ingredients, and we mix them together. So the reason for this is we don't want these choco chips to sink on the cookie when we bake them. So that's why we're adding this step. And now we're adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and we're just going to mix them together until they are fully incorporated and you cannot see any lumps on the cookie dough. Now add the chips, mix them together, and right here we have our chocolate chips cookie dough. For the panning, you need to put a parchment paper on your baking pan, and using 2 spoons, you can just scoop the cookie dough and align them on your baking pan. This recipe can make up to 16 to 20 cookies depending on the size of your cookie. If you want to have a flatter cookie, you can just press them before baking. These cookies will go in the oven and we're going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And right here is our delicious and not too sweet chocolate chips cookie.
Bagus masarap. Very good. 맛있어? 아니야, 맛있어? masarap.
Masarap.
말해봐, masarap. Okay, good.